Day 2 of stripping the giant mega air. Had to do it in sections, break it up in sections. It's just too big to put stripper on and have something happen or let it dry. Hard to get stripper off if it dries. We stripped this whole side, but this panel here, from here down to the end, has a different type of clear coat because I let the paint stripper sit for about 3 hours and it only took off this little spot here. So with a more heavy duty stripper and see if we can get that off. If not, worst case scenario is that panel there will have to sand off the clear coat, which sucks, but if it has to be done, it has to be done. So I'm assuming that this side panel has been changed because none of the other panels are like that. And even the aluminum, did this by hand with the Sinister. I don't know if you can see it, but there's grain in that. You can see the grain kind of. Not sure if you can see on camera, but that one there, that's a lot clearer. So it's a little bit different of a panel of aluminum, but worst comes to worst, we'll sand it off, we'll get it done, not a problem. So now I'm about to go up on the scaffold. There's some things up there I want to cover up before I strip the roof. Some solar panels, the AC heater unit, and brand new vents. So I'm going to go up there. I'm going to cover that stuff up, and then we'll continue the stripping process, and hopefully this thing will be done stripped today. And next week we can start the polish. Nice and stripped. Even the wheels came out better with a nice acid wash. But even after a strip, these trailers, they look different right away. Different appearance. Actually looks better, a lot cleaner. So now we pull it in. Next week, it's a long weekend. Start the polishing process and get her all shined up.
Your truck's a little low at the back there, Sean.
Yeah, that's because it's Dodge.
Yeah, that's right. You heard that, everybody. It's a Dodge.
Brand new $4,500 trailer. Ready to pull.
What do you have to say about this monster?
I don't know. I fucking hate it already. I'll love it when it's done.